the easiest way to hedge your portfolio is to sell. And you don't have to sell everything, but especially the stocks that you're holding that are showing sell signals. And why don't we show? I mean, for us, one of the key sell signals when you're holding a stock as a position trade, where you're trying to get an extended move off of it for months or maybe even years, is a decisive close below the 10-week moving average. So exactly, I was going to say, let's call up InMode because that's such a
On the
great,
same wavelength
yeah.
there.
So and actually, if you look at this, maybe change the scale to best fit because we're not even seeing where
The
it came
huge
out.
move, yeah.
hmm Right. So in this case, it broke out back in the third quarter of September 20, and then went on this amazing run. And that red line is the 10-week moving average. And so what we like to see is a stock get support. And even when it built that base, it didn't really. It came down and closed below it, and then the next week it really went below. But by the end of the week, it reversed higher. So that's a situation, especially if you bought in early and you've got a big profit cushion. You can give a stock a little more room. And when you see a reversal like that, now where your line in the sand would be that week's low. So let's say it reversed lower and closed below that, then you would be out of the stock. But it actually retook the 10-week and started moving higher. We actually, for us who owned it, or many of us, and we highlighted this sell rule on leaderboard when it went vertical and broke a channel line. And if you can draw that for everyone, Ali, right there. So anytime a stock starts getting overheated, especially after an extended run, that's a great time to sell into strength. If you didn't sell there when it decisively broke the 10-week moving average last month, right there, and let's see how many percent it was on the close that week.
Yeah, by the time it closes, 19% below the 10-week
Yeah.
line.
And typically we're looking for a close of 2% or more. So that's and when you're seeing a stock act like that, often what we'll do on leaderboard or in our own accounts, we'll be reducing exposure, maybe selling a third or a half and waiting till the end of the week, Friday afternoon, to see, okay, does it come back? Because oftentimes they do, and then the stock continues. In this case, it didn't. And for folks who didn't sell, now we're getting another sell signal this week of a decisive close below the 40-week moving average or the 200-day on a daily. So this is a great example of how to take profits on the way up and capture those gains on the winners.
Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching Investors Business Daily on YouTube. If you want to watch more videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing.